Good day, this is a video presentation demonstrating the prototype for the wireless ECG monitoring based on 3 electrode configuration using E-Textile technology. A few notes on the ECG shirt. For the inside of the shirt, the metals are covered with fabric. This includes the conductive thread and the metallic snaps. The 3 electrode configurations are left arm, right arm, and left leg. This is where the gel electrodes are placed. For the outside of the shirt, velcros are used to tighten the areas around the gel electrodes. The snap connections and Arduino are placed on the lower right part of the shirt, and for the on and off switching of the circuit, a Reidj switch is used, so whenever the device is placed on the shirt, the circuit will turn on. Batteries used are lithium-ion rechargeable 3.7 batteries. Electrodes used are separate from the shirt and are disposable. These electrodes are standard gel electrodes used on ECG and has a 13mm metallic snap. For the electrode placement, preparing the skin for the gel electrode contact is you have to remove excess hair and clean the area with alcohol and wait till dry. The 3 electrodes RA, LA, and LL are under the right clavicle, under the left clavicle, and lower edge of the left rib cage. Connections of the electrodes should be placed on muscles and not near bones of the body. For the ECG shirt, all components that are sewn into the shirt are washable. This includes the metallic snap, the conductive thread, and the Arduino lily pad. The metallic snaps and the conductive thread are made of 316L stainless steel, which means that they will not rust. For the components inside the case, all components are non-washable. This includes the Wi-Fi B, the AD8232 sensor, the voltage regulators, and the Reidj switch.
This is the login page for the mobile application. So for doctors, accounts are already pre-made. And for patients, registration is required. So first is let us log in using the doctor account. Upon successfully logging in, a drop-down will be shown wherein a list of patients registered will be shown. Now, the doctor needs to select a patient in order to proceed. As an example, let's select the first one. After selecting a patient, 3 buttons will be shown. First is the Start ECG Monitoring, which is press to start monitoring the ECG of the person using the shirt or wearing the shirt rather. Next is the View ECG Record, which will display the past records of the selected patient. And lastly is the Log Out button.
To start ECG monitoring, first connect all the electrodes on the 3 electrode placement, the left arm, the right arm, and the left leg. For the components inside the case, all components are non-washable. This includes the Wi-Fi B, the AD8232 sensor, the voltage regulators, and the Reidj switch. Next is to place the batteries on the device and connect the device onto the metal snaps placed on the lower right part of the shirt. ECG monitoring will automatically start when the device is connected to the internet and that all electrodes are placed correctly on the user. Wi-Fi SSID and password are hard-coded. This can be changed by reprogramming the hardware or changing the network SSID and password. The output of the prototype relies on internet stability, internet speed, and electrode placement. This ends the video presentation demonstrating the prototype for the thesis title Wireless ECG Monitoring based on 3-electrode configuration using E-Textile technology. Thank you for listening.